Do you have a rental space you're trying to fit out to be more personalized to you? If yes, stay tuned to the end of this room tour as I share with you a recent completed room project done by the team. So this is what it used to look like, and it was very cluttered, very untidy, very not quite the space to live in. And then we had a single window which provided a very limited amount of natural light to flood the space. And yes, we had the bare flooring, which gave us a fresh canvas to work with for templates, which we're so excited about. Now, that's a focal point. So, we implemented the ideas of mirrors, throwing as much light as we can into the room. So we played with a very neutral palette in regards to materials used, and then brought in a touch of masculinity in the room as a theme. Also, we went very calm but hard with the floor by going with the wooden flooring treatment. The general color palette used on this project is very neutral, very calming, and then we added a touch of warmth by adding the red wall as a focal point. For accessories, we brought in light fittings such as the bedside lamps and then the aerial rug that's placed right in front of the bed bench. And not to forget our beautiful chandelier that's right above the bed frame that serves as a hidden light as well as a focal light in that space. And of course, you notice the bed frame. Doesn't it look super fun and also masculine? Well, that was the idea behind it. Now that window treatment, here's what we did with it. We went very sheer and we then threw in a pop of color. So I hope you enjoyed every bit of this project tour. Please feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, like the page. Also, for more inspirations, please follow the team on Instagram and like the page on Facebook at Kakudot, Kakudot. See you next time.